Hey, what's up everybody? I've got a string trimmer here, and it's got kind of a, maybe not a unique problem, I'm sure it's kind of a typical problem. And the problem is that, so the motor runs fine, it fires right up. This unit is a very cheap unit. It's a Powersmart. I think I got it at Walmart. You know, under $200. I don't know what it costs, but this is a very cheap unit. It's a 4-stroke. And the problem I'm having here is this stop-start switch has broken. And what's happening is, as you rev this thing up, maybe I can show you what I'm talking about here. This is the stop position, this is the on position. It has a switch that you slide back. You grip this kind of safety latch thing, and you rev it up. Well, what's happening is, as you're revving it up, as the tool's bouncing around, this safety switch, or this on-off switch, is rattling its way forward, creating contact down here and turning off the unit. Now, this is a very cheap unit. You know, I haven't even bothered to look at replacement parts for this because, number one, this is a very cheaply made switch, but number two, I really don't care. I just want the thing to run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply cut one of these wires, preventing it from making contact for the kill switch function. So now you effectively cannot turn this thing off. But that's okay. I don't need it turned off. I need it running non-stop. So anyway, I know this is not a proper fix. I totally get it. But if you have a very cheap tool and that you're not willing to spend any money on, and this switch is giving you trouble, and the way I kind of tested this was I fired it up, and I took a little jumper cable and I just touched the two and it turned off, and then I fired it up again and I kind of rattled this thing around and it turned off. So I'm pretty sure the switch was my problem. If you have this problem, this is a $0 fix. If you want to fix it right, obviously go ahead and fix it correctly. But you know, these really cheap trimmers, I mean, they're not really worth fixing. I get it. So anyway, hope you found it helpful.